I have here a pair of Beats Studio Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair this directly to your Hisense TV. So we want to go to settings, so go ahead and you can click on the home button on your remote. And then once you're on the home button, you just want to go all the way up and go to the gear icon, the settings icon. So just keep on moving all the way over to the right there. Click on OK. Now from here we're going to go down to the very bottom where it says remotes and accessories. Click on OK on the remote. And now we're going to go ahead and add accessory. Okay, but before we do that, go ahead and grab your Beat Studio Buds and put it in pairing mode. Okay, so go ahead and open it up. And you notice in pairing mode there's a white blinking light. I don't have a white blinking light on mine because probably it's trying to connect to a different device. So let me put it in pairing mode right now. So here's a button here on top. Let me press and hold for about 5 or 6 seconds until I get a white blinking light. Now go ahead and let go. And you can see it's blinking, and now I'm going to go to add accessory. Now it's already searching, and voila, I already found it. Okay, and you can see it says Beats Studio Buds. It's already highlighted, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK on the remote, and it's pairing now. Give it 1 second here. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and select pair. Now it's connecting. Now it's paired. Okay, so now you can go ahead and take them out. You can see it's connected down there, and go ahead and watch your Netflix or YouTube or whatever you want to watch, right? Pretty simple. Good luck.